Hey guys, Bobby here. I just want to talk about a couple different ways of opening a Spyderco. And for me, yeah, the number one way that you always see me on my channel is I middle finger flick it and just kind of throw it out there. But we'll get to that in a second. So yes, there's the open it with your thumb. Go ahead and do the marble, like, you know, old school shooting marbles. You can flick it out, the spider drop, and then the middle finger flick. So it did take me a while to figure that out right there. And once you get that down, I mean, you can really, whoops, and then of course I messed up. But you can definitely, you know, flick it with any, let's get on focus. You can flick with any finger after that. I mean, once you get that down, it just, you know, it's pretty easy. So to really get that down, it's 3 points of contact. You see I have right here is touching, right there is touching, and then my thumb is touching. So I have 3 points of contact. And then after the 3 points of contact, my middle finger just flicks straight up. Boom, you see? I mean, it's pretty easy, just like that. And then yes, with the compression lock, you can just flick it out there.
We are taking a look at the Benchmade 530, a very cool little EDC knife. The overall length on it is 7.4 inches. The blade length is 3¼ inches, made from 154 cm steel. It's got an ambidextrous thumb stud on it for easy left and right-handed opening. It's got Benchmade's Axis lock on it, so that's going to make it easy one-handed opening and closing, which I dig. Check this out, just flick the wrist, close it. Oh yeah. A little sticky there for a second. Let's do it one more time for you. Oh yeah. Check that out. Pretty sweet. I'm digging that. And the thing that is the coolest about this knife is the weight. It's got to be the weight. 1.8 ounces on it. Just super light. Part of that is the handles are made from ultralight Norol GTX 830. So pretty light. The pocket clip on it is reversible for right or left-handed carry. Tip-up carry only. There's a lanyard hole right there. A little bit of jimping on the spine of the blade, but I dig it. Very, very cool little knife. Other things that you want to know on it, the closed length is 4.1 inches, and it's a Benchmade. What more could you ask for in life, right? Pretty sweet little knife. Oh, the handle thickness is 0.37 of an inch. So just over 1/4 inch. Very light little knife.